Alright. Let's continue on. We did not get this in this. It did not save. What do you mean? Spray the damn thing. There you go. Oh, you got hurt by that? Did I use this at least? I did. Okay. Let me go. Can I not enter the normal GCPD? Okay, I guess. So we're back.
All available units, we've received reports of shots fired inside the Coventry district. Witnesses describe two armed groups fighting over what appear to be chemical weapons. Requesting any available officers locate and secure the scene.
Chemical weapons. I should investigate.
Crime scene? Bird. Investigate most wanted page. That sounds like Firefly? Because it says bird. And Firefly is, I mean, it's an insect, but it looks kind of like a bird. Bird adjacent, maybe? So is there any data? No data packs. Data packs, yeah. Evidence locker. How does one? I think this is where we turn up after a while, right? This is most definitely not where you start off. Let's try going back up. Higher up, maybe? Oh, yeah, through here. To the holding cells. Yeah. Yeah, look at this. We got a thing here. You would dare jam me? I'll hack into this. I don't even know what this does, but I'll lock down. It did nothing, huh? Oh well. Doesn't have to do anything. We'll just walk our way out. Or into the elevator, it seems. Basement access. Yeah. This is where we met the lady. I forget her name, but we did meet her here. Yeah. I remember this place. Then we have the bullpen. And over here is the main office. Well, it's on the other side, unfortunately, so. Right here. That's right. Yeah. Still over here. And this should actually give us the last one for whatever, number 19 or whatever this is. And then this we gotta go around. This one we gotta go over. This one we gotta go through this place. Okay, did I ever end up... Yeah, the electricity thing. I remember now. Right here. Locker number 1. In the showers. Extortion for Joker.
You know I murdered your commissioner tonight, right? So what makes you think I give two fucks what some dumbass dirty cop's gotta say?
I got it from reliable sources. Penguin is making a move on Falcone territory. The Falcones got no idea what's coming.
And this concerns me because...
You don't care if Penguin takes over their racket?
Why should I?
I don't know. I mean, there's a balance right now, and you're at the top. But one of these other types starts making too much money, you know, and that balance will...
You know what I know? What I know is that I don't like balance. Balance is boring, and boring is a 4-letter word in my book. No, balance. Balance is what's wrong with this city. We need to upset the balance, kick it over, light it on fire, and then see what comes scurrying out.
And that's the Joker talking, not Black Mask, actually. There you go, 19 done. Extortion file. Royal Candy Cane. So this is Burnley. And Florida 14 is done. Okay, so we're done with this place. How would one leave? Yeah, maintenance. This will probably be it. 58% of the database. So are we 51% of the way done? I would say actually no. I guess it makes sense that the elevator is no longer there. Somehow. Whatever, we can just get out different ways. Like for example, this leads to the shooting range. Meh, I know this goes to an exit, so well, it goes to the cells, which goes to the sewers, where there is an exit. So we'll do that. We never have to come back in here again, most likely. So it is what it is. Gotta go over this. Yeah. Down into the infirmary. Then there is a hole in the wall. And morgue. Or you can go to the Burnley sewers east. That's where I'm going. But I'm pretty sure, yeah, there's an exit somewhere over here. I'll just go up there, I guess. Yeah. A lot of group grenades needed here, huh? They're really pushing the whole Use blue grenades thing. And I think you're back on street level now. There you go.
Your request has been logged. All available homicide units are out on call. First one back is yours.
Burnley hit and run. Case file open. So we got some good cases. I mean, let's solve them. Someone did a hit and run here. We don't support that. I'm Batman and I don't support hit and run.
A hit and run just outside GCPD.
It is
This
true.
was no accident.
Did the GCPD do this? I wouldn't doubt it.
Victim is Nate Ramo, a
SWAT
member of the
officer.
SWAT division. His whole team is currently under investigation by Internal Affairs. I wonder what he was doing here.
Okay. Reconstruct.
Looks like he was thrown a considerable distance by the vehicle. I can use the spatter distribution to determine the point of initial impact.
Okay, right there.
This is where Ramo was killed. DNA evidence indicates the car was traveling at a high rate of speed, but the angle of spatter shows the driver lost control and the car was weaving. I should review the crime scene, see if anything else was hit.
Right here.
Chemical analysis indicates a specific brand of paint that narrows down the make and model of the car, and cross-referencing these specs with a list of his team members returns a single name, John DeMarco. Time to pay him a visit.
Alright. Apprehend suspect.
We never made it inside.
Oh.
We're good? You took him out in front of the freaking GCPD. They're gonna be all over this, and then they're gonna be all over us. Relax. With Ramo out of the picture, they got nothing. This time next week, we'll all be back at work. What if he's got tapes or something? Some kind of written confession? This is bad. I searched this place after I took him out. It was clean. He could have stashed stuff somewhere. And if he did, it's not like he can tell anyone where it is. We just gotta keep our heads down and our mouths shut. I hope you're right. I know I'm right.
Well, now we have proof. Straight up.
It's the Bat. Call in 064.
Let's ride this freak.
Get out of here.
Let's take him.
You're messing with the Bat.
Maybe like some electricity? You know what you guys were doing?
Someone's about to get hurt. What do you want? Money? Information? I'll give you whatever you want.
You'll give me you going to jail.
Why did you do it, DeMarco? Why did you kill Ramo?
IAD didn't have enough to make the charges stick, but the kid got scared, made a deal and decided to talk. Traitor.
You'd have been out of jail in a few years on the drug charges. But now, murder means life.
We'll see about that.
With all the evidence I've collected, it won't take long for the jury to convict.
Funny thing about evidence, it has a tendency to disappear.
Not
That's
on
true.
my watch. Alf.
Oh, come on. It always skips the Alfred thing. Forward everything to the GCPD. And there is Bird. Investigate the gang fight. We'll do that before I leave. Also, apparently there is one at his headquarters.
Looks like Joker's little plan might be starting to backfire. Oh yeah? Think
Now, where is this data pack supposed to be? In here, in his HQ. There is one in there for sure. Where is the blocker? We don't know. Are you gonna give me another lecture? Doesn't seem like it. I smashed all the screens, yeah. Forgot about that. Oh, dude, it is right there. You got another one on the Joker.
Boss? Huh? Oh, right, that's me. Are you feeling okay? Never better. I've got a new lease on life. Granted, it came with some added mileage, but beggars can't be choosers.
Yeah, well, anyway, you know, it's the first Thursday of the month, right?
So it is. Good job. Observation and initiative are the keys to advancement. I have my eye on you.
It's just that normally you have me drop off the commissioner's commission every month.
Well, of course I knew that. But I'm rethinking our arrangement with my good friend, the commissioner.
Okay. You're the boss?
That's right. I am.
Okay, so he and the commissioner or something going on. Lobe. So 15 or 29 audio files. Alright, that's the Joker. And I leveled up. So you are going for close combat upgrades, right? Yeah, we know how that works. Shock Glove Stun Baton Counter. A Shock Glove enabled defensive technique which allows Batman to counter enemy stun baton attacks. Once the Shock Gloves are activated, you are able to counter enemies attacking with stun baton weapons. This counter disarms and knocks down the attacking enemies. Successful stun baton counters will recharge your Shock Gloves as well. We'll do it. And then we have the Shield counter as the last one. Okay, Enigma. Yeah, Industrial is done. Burnley done. Diamond done. Amusement Mile done. Pioneer's Bridge. 0 out of... we don't even know how many apparently. Park Row still has 1. And 1. And Coventry has 2, which we don't even know where they are. Well, whatever. We'll leave them alone for now. I wanted to make sure that I was done with this place before I move on. Moving on up in the world. Because there has to be one other place I come to in Coventry maybe, which has 2 more Riddler things. And that's what's left. Can't believe I didn't spot that. Oh well, you know what? Fast travel me. It's a good addition to this game. Allows me to get around a lot faster. Alright, let's check out this bird. Fly away. Let me zipline. No. I just climbed onto nothing.
I need to break up that fight and secure the chemicals.
There's a fight? Oh, there is a fight, alright. Oh, and it's a big one. Are they all gonna start fighting me now? Look at the number of critical strikes. I'm over 100 combo. Oh my god. The last guy too. Interrogate the last standing enemy. And Dark Knight challenge complete. It was only 20 critical.
It's not meant to be.
Reach 30 multiply and perform 7 variations in a single
I
fight.
am disgraced. You have defeated me.
He's one of Bane's men.
What's in the canister?
A gift for El Jefe. One of many.
Where are the others?
I will say no more.
Okay, then I'll knock you out.
We are at the port, but the Duende Cobblepot has sent his men to oppose us. You must come.
I have what I need.
Bam, Bird, investigate the gunfight. But we got a new big mission, right? Side mission. This is Bane's side mission, I'm guessing. Wow, so much XP. I finished 2 objectives, didn't I? No. But there were challenges, I guess. Alright, that was this one. I never thought I would do it. Take out 3 or more enemies with use of the multi-ground takedown. Upgrade required. Special combo multi-ground takedown. Build your combo to 8. Use quick-fire explosive gel to knock 3 or more enemies to the ground. Then hit T to trigger the special combo multi-ground takedown. And medium or higher threat level without being hit. 50x combo, at least 15 variations. And then perform a straight 150-meter glide. I did not do this yet. And complete the intermediate air ride drills. Stop a crime in progress in each district. Yo, I can do this. Straight 150-meter glide. That's easy. And then perform 4 loud takedowns. Yeah, and this database stuff. Okay, take me up. High up. You can do a 150-meter straight glide. Surely I can do that. Locate the tracker placed on Bane. And then we have another gang fight here. Ah, see, it's oh, this is a different guy, Bird. Substance called Venom is being distributed on streets of Gotham, destroyed before it falls into the wrong hands. So Bird, and then we have one more criminal even after that. Okay, 150 meters straight glide.
I got multiple calls available. Sending them out in priority order.
Can't believe I never did the 150 meter glide. No, god damn it. Let me get to a high point.
Yeah, think they work for one of the assassins. Guy named...
You know what? We'll do that in a bit. Let's jump to Amusement Mile. Fast travel there. Try to finish off these bird objectives. There's 4 of these. So 150 meters straight glide. 8, whatever the hell Batman does. That's a sniper scope, I believe, pointing at me. Uh-huh.
This looks like the spot. Now to find that canister.
Alright, I have the shock glove now. Best of luck doing anything to me. What? That shot wasn't even meant for me, by the way. Oh, special ground takedown, by the way.
Take him!
There you go. 3 hits. No knife for you.
Break it! This is the end! Not in the face! Not in the face!
Wait in the face. Dark Knight challenge complete. Take out 3 or more enemies with 1 use of the multi-ground takedown. Yeah, it does take courage. Complete a fight with a medium or higher threat level without being hit with a 50 times combo, at least 15 variations. So that's the last one.
My victory was not meant to be.
Where's the canister?
Blown away. You'll never find it.
I think I will.
Sir, your suit is picking up trace elements of a compound used in the manufacturing of venom. It appears the canisters contain ingredients necessary for its creation.
I need to find out where they've taken them.
May I suggest scanning the area? They could have left something behind that points to their destination.
Scan the area around the canister. Oh, these canisters? The birdcage? Cocaine,
Looks like
industrial
they're
soap,
heading to
baking
my
powder.
alibi.
Enter My Alibi nightclub and confirm bird. What now? That's where the final Riddler trophies of the area. Look at that.
There's gotta be like a diner or something nearby, no?
Plenty of dining.
No one's gonna believe this!
Holy crap, it's that bat thing!
Who is messing with? No one can help you now!
I think I can do it, by the way. Even without, I can like do a beat down.
Break all his bones!
No.
Just keep fighting!
Big guy with guns, don't like him. Not good for business. Get out of here. That's what I'm talking about. Alright. This is My Alibi nightclub. Let's get in there. Get those final Enigma. Yeah, they are here. My Alibi entrance. What is this? My Alibi, open Wednesday to Saturday, 9 PM till 3 AM. Wednesday, Saturday, huh? No Sunday, no Monday. Featuring Gotham's beautiful girls dancing. Oh yeah, I've read this. Scarlet Letter, Champagne Sparkles, Miss Fix and Jerbix, Pheromones, Miss Via Rose, Lady Aurora, Lola Frost. Lola Frost, Pink Sky. Isn't Lola Frost one of the from Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. or like Agent Carter? There it is. Ice Storm Party, December 20th. Kitty Relevant, September Smith, Savannah Bloom, Scarlet Letter. Tickets for sale, 3 drinks minimum. Those doors closed.
Leave now, and we will spare you.
Fine, you want the club? It's yours. But when the boss finds out about this...
He will stay away if he values his life.
Uh-huh.
Ah! The bat!
You have come as Bane said you would. Fly down from your perch then, so I can kill you.
I thought you'd never ask.
I doubt you're gonna be able to kill me.
We are without fear.
You have a knife.
This is for you. Let's see what you can do.
Finish you off is what I can do. Now get shock glove. Oh, are you bird?
I will tear you to pieces.
Getting zapped and shocked and everything. You're not very strong, are you? Like I really expected. Oh my god. Like you're all that's left. There you go. I'll jump on top of you and whack you. That's it. You done?
Who are you?
They call me Bird.
Bane's lieutenant. Putting you away should set him back.
Bane already has all he needs. He will find you. He will break you.
We will see about that. Bird, most wanted complete.
Alfred, put in a call to GCPD. They want to bring these men in for questioning.
Advanced weapon techniques, and I've unlocked a Wayne Tech upgrade. Concept art for my Alibi Lounge. Alberta Falcone.
Hello? Who is this?
A friend of the family.
Alberto.
Honest. What do you want?
Just a social call. Reaching out to the community, you might say.
Go on.
Your father and I did not always see eye to eye, but we had much in common. Common interests, common traditions.
I can't really speak for my father or the family.
That's not how you made it sound at Cuccinota the other night.
How did you know I was...
Relax, Alberto. There's nothing like good food and wine to loosen a tongue, am I right? But next time you want to discuss your future, do it somewhere more private. And I own just the place.
Oh, is that... Oh, 1 second. I got, There he is, Bird. Angel Bird Valuega. Bane's lieutenant. South America. Brown, black, 6 feet 2, 215 pounds. One of the many prisoners who helped Penaduro with Bane's help. Who escaped Penaduro with Bane's help, has training in knife fighting and the use of explosives, unshakable loyalty to Bane. Like Bird, Bane has no criminal record prior to his incarceration. Though records of Penadura are sketchy at best, they contain no mention of a Bird alias. His admission and incarceration paperwork appear to have been lost, unless of course there is truth to the rumors and he was born and raised inside the prison like Bane. Since his escape, Bird has been responsible for all kinds of heinous crimes committed at the behest of his master. This is the man who will obey any order without question and will lay down his life without a second thought. In short, a fanatic and very dangerous because of it. Fanatics usually are. That's 14 done. There is one more in here. It's behind me. Okay, this area. Lounge. Oh yeah, there's supposed to be girls dancing. This is their dressing room. Gotham City Bar and Nightclub. All framed photos. Okay, smash this. Probably a useful vent to climb into. And November 19, was the calendar man here or just a calendar? There you go, Commissioner Loeb.
What do you want me to do? Become his confidant? Gordon trusts me about as far as he could throw me. So, not very far at all. Yeah, I get it. I'm a big guy. You're a fat slob who needs to start earning his keep. Now, men like Gordon have a weakness for a certain type of woman. They call it the Lancelot syndrome or some such crap. What are we talking about here? You want me to set up a honeypot? I'll leave the details to you. Find me some dirt. And try not to make a mess of it.
Well, if Gordon hears that, he's gonna be pretty pissed. There you go, explosion file 13 complete. Final officer, theater, final offer, not officer. Yeah. Industrial is done. All that's left is Park Row. Enigma's HQ still has. Destroy all network relays to access Enigma's server. Find all Enigma data packs to unlock his secret room. All that's left is Park Row. And the Pioneer's Bridge. So it does say district progress has 35% here. 93% here. Networks destroyed 707, explosion files 17 of 20. Okay, so we're getting there. We'll be there soon enough, not to worry. Can I speak with the owner? I guess, no. This is the stairwell. Okay, at the locked door. Right. Now you can just walk out. Like a normal person. We're at my alibi entrance and we're out. Back out to the streets of Gotham. Alright. Well. Do I want to check out the bridge? Not really. Let's go and do this. I'm pretty sure there's like sewers or something underneath, or I thought maybe we could go in, but this is like impossible to find. For now, I'll just do the mission and be happy about it. Yeah, so I knew I was gonna come here at some point. Of the incredible amount of security here. Kinda makes it obvious. The amount of men with an amount of guns here. After a while, it just becomes pretty obvious. Bye-bye to the sniper. And in here. Yep. There are sewers, and I'm guessing this is where the last thing is. This. Okay, I am headed right there. So. Park Row sewers access. Look at that. The doors there. Aha. Hello to you. How does one
If I can hear. We will not leave without your share. To die for pain is glory! Now I will teach him. It's finished!
stop this?
Wait!
Stop this.
Send it to hell! Like this.
There you go. Alright. I'm going back up. I want to find a way in. How would I get in there? Oh, well. I see. Give me a remote controlled batarang. There you go. There you go. And we're in. Data pack. 9 out of 10. Excuse me. Surely we're done with this region. We are not, actually. 0 out of 1. Okay, but there's one more. That's fine. But now I can just continue going onwards. Instead of worrying about where this data pack is. Nothing on the map.
I should try to use my glue grenade to create a raft.
Been there, done that. Why would you jump off like that? Okay, great. Make one far away. Now make one right down here. And then we can now use these. Okay, that's too far away apparently. Batman can't hit a target at that far range. This Batman's got weak arms or something. Don't ask me. There you go. Final pull. Looks like his lair. Okay.
What kind of man are you? Keep going with us!
Oh. Grab. Stop.
What makes us best when we hurt people?
Oh, apparently I'm just taking out a normal guy.
Get
Would have preferred a bigger guy.
This will teach you!
Oh, I was pressing E.
Show me what you're made of!
One punch will show you what I'm made of. Okay, is this his lair? Now this is his lair. Alright, so the door guards are gone. Got a trophy for the mercenary. What the hell are you? Can't break it. There it is. Well, anyway, I'll continue in the next one. Look at these giant ass cameras, man. You seen this? Man, anyway, see you all in the next one. We're almost done with this place before I leave you off. Park Row is about to be finished, then we'll only have Pioneer's Bridge. Which apparently I'm at 35%, which I don't understand how. So 17 or 20 extortion files. How do I even see each extortion file progress? I guess I don't. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, I'll see you on the next one.